Your computer only comes with so much space, and once you fill it up, the only way to get some back is by deleting your precious data or installing more memory. Seeing these bars full isn't usually a good sign, especially when they're red. So this is a tutorial on how to install more data on your computer. A screwdriver, a SATA cable, and a hard drive, standard or SSD. Go behind your computer, flip this switch, unplug this, plug this, and unplug this. Now you want to place your computer on a desk, not on a carpet or anything that would attract static. You want to take off the side panel of the case by unscrewing the screws. Each computer case is different. Now that you took off the panel, get the hard drive out of the box and try to be careful with it because it is pretty fragile. Now there should be 2 screw holes where you should screw in the hard drive, and try not to screw it in too hard because it could damage the case. Now you want to get the SATA cable and the power cord from the power supply. I didn't get any footage of me plugging this in because I'm dumb, but it's in these holes. Now if you have a graphics card, you're going to want to unplug it because it's usually covering your SATA to motherboard. Now you just want to connect it. Now put your GPU back if you have one. Then put the side panel on back. Plug everything back in. Go on the search and type in disk management. Click on this one. This should pop up. Just press OK. Press on unlocated, new simple volume. Next. Next, and just choose a letter. Then just press next again, then finish. Now if you go on your files, you should see the new volume with the letter you chose and all the new disk space.